Sydney was hit by a severe thunderstorm and power outage on Saturday after a hot start to the weekend. The Bureau of Meteorology predicted the storm would hit Sydney from the southwest and issued a warning of potential damaging wind gusts. Moss Vale and Port Britannica recorded wind gusts reaching 105 kilometers per hour. Numerous traffic lights in the Sydney metropolitan area are experiencing power outages or flashing amber. Drivers are urged to exercise caution and postpone non-essential travel. The Bureau also warned in a while the Blue Mountains and coverage of damaging winds, heavy rain, wind and hail following a day of high temperatures. The highest recorded temperature in Sydney on Saturday